In this video, we're going to look at how to find research resources such as journal articles and ebooks using First Search. You'll find the First Search search box on the homepage of the BCIT library website, and that's at bcit.ca/library. First Search is a federated search engine, so it is searching a whole bunch of things all at once, including the physical collection of the library, so the books and the journals and the DVDs, but also the journal articles and ebook databases. So it's searching a lot of content, and most of this content is e-content. So to search, just start by putting in your keyword or keywords. I'm going to put in circuits. And you can see that there are a lot of results for circuits, over 9 million. On the left, you can refine your results a variety of ways. So one of the things you can do is you can ask just for the full text online, and when you're working from home, this can be a handy thing to do. So I'm going to limit these results to just what is full text online. So we still have a lot of content there. Then you can limit by content type. So if I wanted journal articles, I could click there. In this example, I'm going to click on books and ebooks. And I will just get the ebooks here because I've already asked for full text online. Another way that you can limit your result is by publication date. So with some technologies that change rapidly, you may be looking for very recent publications so that you can get the latest information on that technology. So in this case, I'm going to ask for what was published in the last 12 months. I could also go down and limit by a few other things, by discipline. So do I want circuits from an engineering point of view or a computer science point of view? By subject terms, so forth. The other way that I can limit is I can put in some more keywords here because circuits is a very broad term, so I might want to put in some keywords that indicate what is it that I want to know about circuits. Once you get to a result list that you want to have a further look at, there's a few things here that might be of interest to you. Here's a permalink. So if you're sharing this link for a group project with your project members, you'll want to use the permalink rather than the URL at the top, and that gives you a better guarantee that whoever you're sending the link to will actually be able to get back to this place that you want them to get to. You can also email this to your teammates or to yourself, and this Cite This Item icon here is really handy. You can use a drop-down menu to choose the citation style that you're using. So there's lots of options here. I'm going to click on IEEE style. And then I'm going to get this in IEEE style for my reference list. So there's the citation. You do want to have a look at it by checking the IEEE style sheet because this is computer generated, so it's not always 100% correct, but it should give you the information that you need for your reference list. So if you want to get into one of these ebooks, what you do is you click on the full text online link. It may bring you to another library record, and you just again click on the Access the ebook online. If you're not yet logged in, you'll be prompted to put in your A0 number and your network password. So that's what you use to get into the Learning Hub or My BCIT. And initially, you will be asked to accept the terms and conditions for many of these databases. So we get our ebooks through various databases, so it's not always going to look exactly like this. In this case, we're getting this ebook from Taylor and Francis Group, and they do give a download option. Not all ebooks have download options. Sometimes you have to read them online, which is also an option here for this book. So you can see the table of contents here, and in this particular database, you're going to download chapter by chapter. So that's a look at First Search and how to start your research.